Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the lid hinge pins on the Samsung washer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The most common issue that we see with the lid hinge pins is the screw holes becoming stripped out and the lid is no longer secured in place. To replace the lid hinge pin, the first thing that we'll need to do is open up the lid to gain access to the two screws on the side. Start by prying off the screw cover and setting it aside to save for later. Now remove the two Phillips screws. They are made out of stainless steel, so be careful not to drop them. Now, we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Once again, pry off the screw cover and set it aside to save for later, and remove the two screws. With the screws removed, grab both sides of the lid and lift it up and off of the hinge pins. Carefully set the lid aside to make sure that it doesn't drop and break. Next, grab the lid hinge pin and remove it. Remove this plastic piece and set it aside to save for later. If you have a bad lid hinge pin and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the lid hinge pin, reinstall the plastic piece. Align the flat edge on the lid hinge pin with the flat edge on the hinge and insert it into place. Now we'll reinstall the lid. Align the two openings on the bottom of the lid with the two lid hinge pins. Then, reinstall the two Phillips screws. Then, reinstall the screw cover. Now, repeat the same thing on the other side. And once again, reinstall the screw cover. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.